Okay. So first, I rinse all the product out of her hair. It's lukewarm water, and I'm gonna get all the old gel and grease or whatever it is that's been in her hair. You rinse it out first before you add any shampoo. It'll get cleaner that way.
It's cleaner that way.
Yeah, it gets cleaner that way.
It tickles.
It tickles.
Yeah.
So I always rinse in lukewarm water because it'll help break up all any gunk that's been in her hair. I wash the hair maybe every other week. That way it'll her hair won't be too dried out. You don't wash the hair every day or every other day with coarse hair and kinky hair because we'll lose our essential oils. Our hair isn't like straight hair. When it's thick and coarse, you don't wash your hair all the time. It'll strip our hair. The less you do to your hair, the longer and healthier it'll be. So after I rinse it, I take shampoo. I really like the Ultimate Detangling Shampoo from Just For Me because it has marshmallow root extract, and that cocoa butter and that raw honey is what'll give it the slip. It makes it very, very easy to detangle. You're silly. So what I do is I keep it on the scalp, not really here because that's not where you really put all that gunky product. And when you rinse it out, the shampoo will come and fall off here anyway, which will clean those curls anyway. Your focus is your scalp. You just use your fingertips and I just massage. This is one of her favorite parts. You like when I massage it, huh? Your pinkies. I love you. So much. So now that, make sure you get in that middle too. Now that it's all shampooed, I'm gonna slide her up. This is just a towel that I folded the long way, and then I just rolled it to make a kind of like a pillow. That's on my lukewarm. Yep. I just rinse. I don't have to, make sure it's super squeaky clean because I don't really put heat and straighten her hair. So if your hair isn't going to get straightened, if you have natural hair, you don't need to make it squeaky clean like you do when you have to straighten the hair. This is more about retaining moisture rather than taking it all out. So, oh, you trying not to get any water in your face?
Yeah. This bubble.
So, Wynter likes water a little more than Autumn does. If water gets anywhere near Autumn's face, she doesn't like it. But this one here, she doesn't mind it too much. Luckily, my sink has this function where it can go from the spray to the single stream because it makes it a lot easier. But if you don't have that, you can always use a tall cup to rinse it. So for example,
what is a tall cup, Mommy? You're gonna turn
you
it
can
off?
use, I use this cup. This is the tallest cup I've ever received, so I save it. So whenever I do have clients, braid hair or whatever, I use this as like my dipping cup. But you can always do it so where you can see it. You can rinse it off like this. This is another option. If you don't have a sink where you have an attachment that extends, you can just fill it up with water and do it like that. That's another option. But yeah, so rinse it all out. Make sure you get the sides in the back. She didn't always let me wash her hair like this. This is a process. She used to need like lollipops and a phone and all that, but the more I was consistent with washing her hair, the older she got, the more mature she got, the better she would behave when it came to wash day. So yeah, the towel is gonna get wet. That's the whole point of the towel being there versus it going down her back and everything. But yeah, you just squeeze and let it come out. Now, if the hair is really, really dirty, then you might need to wash it a second time. But I usually don't unless I put a product in their hair that is really, really sticky and I notice that it still doesn't feel clean. Then I'll wash it a second time. But I usually don't wash it a second time. I don't want to strip their hair too much.
Done?
Twist it. No, we're done shampooing, but now we gotta condition. Now we're gonna condition. It's the same products as the shampoo. It has the marshmallow root extract, cocoa butter, and the raw honey. So this is a great start to the conditioning process. So I just put it all in there. You know, we use more conditioner than we do shampoo. I usually buy 1 shampoo and 2 conditioners per per usage, because of how much you use the conditioner. Some fell. Let me slide that up in there. So I never skimp on the use of conditioner. That's why it's good to get a reasonably priced conditioner. These just for me conditioner, it's not a bad price whatsoever, so you can buy 2 with no problem. So yeah, I do all this, put it all in there, and then I hold her hair like this, and this is what I call the pre-detangling process. I also have a brush from the Curl Piece line, and you just detangle it, but while holding her hair so that it doesn't pull on the scalp. Now if you can't get all of their hair in one, you can split it up into 2. So that would be like this. You're doing great, baby. See, it's already detangling. That's why it didn't hurt like that.
Ow! You're holding too tight.
Oh, I'm holding it too tight? Well, I just didn't want it to pull on your scalp. But if she tells me it's too tight, I listen. I try to listen as much as I can so that she doesn't have, you know, like one of those traumatic experiences we might have had growing up. So yeah, it starts flying everywhere. That's what happens in wash day. Just make sure you clean your sink after you're done. But yeah, it's a really good detangler. It has really good slip. I just kind of detangle as much as I can during the time. You can leave your head down. Leave your head down. That's why I've made it a little pillow so your neck doesn't hurt, okay? You're doing really great, baby. So once I'm done conditioning and detangling as much as I can right now, because her hair, she wanted to do a wash and go hairstyle, so I left it out for a little too long, so her hair got really tangled. But now it's looking good. So
there's something white on your hair.
Oh, that's from the conditioner, baby. So now we're gonna rinse this off. We're not gonna go crazy with rinsing it off because it's conditioner, so it's not that bad. Let's get it all out. I've already started making the water less warm. So now I'm gonna make it even cooler to really seal her hair. The colder the water, the better. You're doing great, baby. And there we go. Give it a little twist. See, all clean.